There was a time in my life when everything felt stuck. Every day looked exactly like the one before it. Wake up, work, worry, repeat. Same habits, same problems, same results. It felt like life was moving, but I wasn't. And I remember one night, sitting on the edge of my bed, feeling this heaviness in my chest, thinking, is this it? Is this what my life is supposed to feel like? But everything changed. Not because I found some secret hack. Not because I suddenly became more disciplined. Not because life magically got easier. It changed because of one simple routine. A routine so small, so simple, that most people overlook it. But this routine didn't just change my day. It changed my direction. And today, I'm going to share that exact routine with you, step by step, so you never feel stuck again. If you feel lost, this routine will find you. If you feel overwhelmed, this routine will ground you. And if you feel stuck, this routine will move you. Let's begin. Why daily reflection matters. Daily reflection isn't journaling. It isn't sitting quietly. It isn't soft or passive. It's clarity. It's direction. It's self-awareness sharpened like a blade. Here's the truth. Most people don't fail because they lack talent. They fail because they lack awareness. Awareness of their habits. Awareness of their emotions. Awareness of what's actually happening in their life. Without reflection, you live on autopilot. With reflection, you take the controls. Reflection is the difference between wandering through your days and designing them. If you want to change your life, you must start looking at your life. Step 2. Your top 3 intentions. Now grab a notebook. Nothing digital. Use paper. Your brain processes handwritten intention differently. Every morning, write down your top 3 intentions. Not 10, not 8, not everything you wish you could do. Just 3. Because clarity beats chaos. And focus beats overwhelm. Write 3 lines. One thing for your growth. Something small, but meaningful that makes you better. A chapter of a book. A new skill. A mindset shift. One thing for your goals. Something that moves your dream forward. One email, one action, one step. One thing for your well-being. Something for your mental, emotional, or physical health. That's it. 3 intentional moves that shift your entire day. Most people chase everything. Successful people pursue the few things that truly matter. Step 3. Reflect on your emotions. Your emotions are messages, but most people never read them. They feel stressed and push through. They feel anxious and ignore it. They feel unmotivated and blame themselves. But when you reflect on your emotions, you gain control over your inner world. Ask yourself daily, what am I feeling right now? Why am I feeling this way? Is this emotion guiding me or limiting me? Maybe you feel frustrated because you haven't rested. Maybe you feel overwhelmed because you're overcommitting. Maybe you feel stuck because you haven't clarified your direction. Emotional reflection doesn't make you weak. It makes you aware. You can't heal what you won't face, and you can't grow from what you won't acknowledge. Step 4. Evening reflection, the success checklist. At night, take 2 minutes, just 2, and review your day with this success checklist. Ask yourself, what went well today? What could I improve tomorrow? What did I learn about myself today? This is where transformation happens. Because success isn't just about doing the right things. It's about learning from what you do. When you reflect at night, your brain tags your experiences with meaning. You begin to notice patterns. You notice your strengths. You notice the habits holding you back. 2 minutes. Every night. That's all it takes for your self-awareness to grow sharper than ever. Daily reflection turns your life from a blur into a blueprint. Transformation break. Wake up phrase. Listen closely. Most people will hear everything I just said and never apply it. They'll nod, agree, feel inspired, and then go right back to autopilot. But you're still here. You're still listening. And that means something inside you is ready to change. This routine isn't just a habit. It's a doorway to your next level. Step 5. Gratitude for growth. End your day with gratitude, but not generic gratitude. Not, I'm grateful for my house. Not, I'm grateful for food. Those are good, but they don't create growth. Focus on growth-based gratitude. I'm grateful for the strength I showed today. I'm grateful I didn't quit. I'm grateful for the small progress I made. I'm grateful I handled that challenge better than last time. Gratitude rewires the brain. It shifts you from focusing on problems to noticing progress. And progress is what keeps you moving. A grateful mind accelerates growth. What happens after 30 days? If you follow this routine for the next 30 days, here's what will happen. You'll feel focused instead of scattered. You'll feel clear instead of confused. You'll feel calm instead of overwhelmed. Your confidence will rise. Your discipline will strengthen. Your decisions will sharpen. Your goals will feel closer. And your life will feel yours again. Reflection turns chaos into clarity. And clarity turns dreams into action. Give me 30 days, and you'll meet a version of yourself you didn't know existed. Final message. Success doesn't happen by accident. It happens by intention. And intention begins with reflection. Start this routine today. Not tomorrow. Not someday. Today. Because the moment you begin reflecting, you begin transforming. If you like this video, hit like. Subscribe for more life-changing mindset content. Comment below. I'm starting today. Let's grow together. Let's reflect together. Let's build the life you were meant for. And remember, your life changes the moment you decide to change your mind.